In the world of action cameras, GoPro is getting ready to unveil its highly awaited Hero 13. People are excitedly waiting for it, and there's a lot of talk about what it might bring. With rivals like DJI and Insta360, GoPro needs to step up its game. The Hero 13 has to solve old issues and add new stuff to stay in the lead. Let's check out what the GoPro Hero 13 might offer, when it could come out, and what people are saying about it. While there haven't been any official leaks, there's a lot of speculation about what the Hero 13 might bring. Some of the expected specs include shooting video in 5K at 30 frames per second, or 4K at a speedy 120 frames per second. Plus, there could be better picture quality with photos up to 32 megapixels, improved image stabilization, longer battery life, and waterproofing up to 10 meters deep. When it comes to stabilization, GoPro usually updates its HyperSmooth tech each year. With the Hero 13 Black, we might see the arrival of HyperSmooth 7.0. The latest version, HyperSmooth 6.0, already has cool features like auto boost and horizon leveling, even when you're spinning around in 360 degrees. There's talk about a new processor too. GoPro introduced the GP2 in 2021, following the GP1 back in 2017. So, it's possible we could see the GP3 unveiled in about a year, possibly powering the Hero 13 Black. As for GPS, there's some uncertainty. A Reddit post suggests the Hero 13 might skip it, leaving room for a later release of a Hero 13 Plus with GPS. This could be part of GoPro's strategy to offer different versions with varied features. Looking ahead, the post mentions a possibility where basic stabilization might not be included in future GoPros by default. Users might have to pay extra for it. In the long run, GoPros might become more like a basic camera with just a lens and battery, with additional features available for a fee. As fans eagerly await the GoPro Hero 13, the exact release date remains uncertain. Many in the industry speculate it will hit the shelves around September 2024, following GoPro's usual yearly pattern. However, there's been no official word or leaks revealing the specific date or features. Predictions about the price of the GoPro Hero 13 Black vary. Some experts suggest it could be around $475, reflecting the expected upgrades in technology and features. Others think it might be a bit more competitive, possibly around $425, especially for those who opt for a GoPro subscription service. Rumors about the GoPro Hero 13 are swirling. Users and industry experts have quite a wish list. They're hoping for better low-light performance to outshine competitors, a continued commitment to the 8:7 aspect ratio, and possibly even an upgrade to 8K resolution for more flexibility in post-production. On top of that, users are talking about wanting the option to use their GoPro as a dashcam, especially when it's hooked up to an external power source. This would be handy for folks on the go. And besides fixing existing issues, there's a clamor for a multifunctional mount that can do it all. Fingers, Q20, magnetic, everything in one. Action cameras often struggle to capture good images in low light. But with new technology like AI, there's hope that the Hero 13 could do better. By using AI to reduce noise or improve night shots, it could make a big difference, not just for action cameras but for all cameras. GoPro has started using AI in its editing tools, so we might see more of it in the new GoPro. This could mean better stabilization, recognizing objects, or even editing videos automatically. GoPro might also add new features to help people get creative with their shots. GoPros are known for being tough, like the Hero 12. It can handle being underwater and rough sports, and it's small enough to take anywhere. Plus, with lots of accessories, you can mount it in different ways for all sorts of activities. While the basic design of GoPro is likely to stay the same, there's room for some fresh ideas. One possibility is adding a screen that can move, like those on smaller cameras from Canon or Sony, or on competitors like Insta360. This could be handy, but it might make the camera a bit bigger. Still, GoPro's design is the gold standard for action cams, with not much innovation from other brands. We'll have to keep an eye out for more updates to see what's next. Stay tuned for more updates. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.